Machines and Components Private Limited is your ultimate destination in the dynamic world of metal cutting and metal forming, offering a comprehensive range of premium industrial products. Specializing in the die mold industry, we are proud partners of DME, a Hillenbrand Group company, providing a diverse selection of more than 100,000 top-quality mold and mold accessories. Additionally, we introduce cutting-edge innovations in the sheet metal industry through our collaboration with Aaroh Machines, delivering over 150 slag cleaners for laser and plasma cutting machines. Featuring MAHATMA's precision flattening and leveling technology, we bring world-class solutions to India. Our expert team is dedicated to providing tailored solutions for the die mold and sheet metal industry, ensuring that you experience the excellence of Aaroh's premium products and solutions. Connect with us via our website, email, or phone to explore how our industry experts can support your projects.